Working in the field as an electrician, I've made some inquiries, and without naming who I work for, we deal with a few customers that deal with solar. And I did ask at work, what's his reputation like, what's his work like, and he came with a good rap. He was quick, easy to deal with, most informative and quite good workmanship. And I'll tell you now, being an electrician again, I'll keep going back to that because that's the field I'm in. When they came and installed, they did a real tradesman-like job. They cleaned up. When you see people cleaning up after themselves, you know that you've got a good quality job at the end. Output's fantastic. Every day I'm laughing. I honestly am laughing about the output of the system. My bills are non-existent, to be honest, all right? And you know, you want to do that commercial on TV and point to the solar panels. I tell the wife and kids that all the time. It's a cliche, I suppose, but they are fantastic. They hold up well during the wet. I had concerns about lightning strikes and everything else, and spikes in the system, because up here in Darwin we do get a lot of lightning strikes. But look, the rectifier, the panels, it's fantastic. My brother actually went with a different make and model, and his rectifier was playing up and humming away. But you have to pick quality. You look around at the workmanship and everything that goes with it. As a tradesman, did a fantastic job. When I first decided to get solar put in, I thought, I've got to get some prices, you know, and I rang up quite a few people, to be honest, to get some quotes, and there was a few options there, and I took down all the paperwork and did some research on it. I won't name names, but there was another supplier. 4 times he stood me up, came here, waited for him. In the end, I just gave up on him.